Hey, let's take a look at some of my top devices that I use when traveling. I'm on vacation, and these are a couple things that I always travel with, whether it is to a cold country or right now I'm in a nice resort. It is very hot. My skin is peeling, but hey, that is okay. So, this is my trusted Alienware laptop. It is the Alienware 17R2. Yes, it is an old laptop, but it does what it needs to do. So has 16 gigs of RAM, and it originally came with one hard drive, but I upgraded it to hold four M.2 SSDs. So I have sufficient storage. It gets the job done. And one day when it does slow down, then I'll upgrade. But for now, it isn't going anywhere. I have the Logitech G203 USB mouse. Same thing, simple, gets the job done. I have my Anker battery bank. This is a 10,000 milliamp battery bank. And I have a TP-Link travel router. So what this does, it allows me to create a network wherever I go, so I can sync all of my data from my phone or my camera directly onto my laptop, not relying on the hotel's Wi Fi. So at this particular hotel, the Wi Fi is only 5 megabits, but with my travel router, I can sync my data at 100 megabits. This here is a 3D printed 4 compartment storage holder. You can put whatever you want in it, but I have my lip balm, some Q-tips, eye drops, and it tucks away very neatly. It is very strong because I packed it in my checked luggage and it survived without a single scratch. And let me show you some additional things I printed for travel in the bathroom. And this is the next 3D printed item. Pops up very easily. I have my makeup, some sunblock, my lipstick, and you can see there's multiple compartments and it closes very easily. This was also in the checked luggage bag and it came back out intact. It was printed with PETG, so that could be why. And these are a couple tiny containers. So I'm using them for my makeup, like my blush, some extra sunblock, some other makeup products here. And I do own a Dynamo label maker. As we know, I did a video on that. But I was in a rush, so I just wrote it down with a marker. And yeah, there you go. Well, I hope this video was helpful or at least somewhat entertaining. And do let me know all of the things that you travel with or your must-haves. And this video was not planned. So I do hope you enjoy. Until next time, bye.